respected teachers and my lovely parents and my dear friends. My name is Regan Kumar. I am studying in 5th class. My father name is Srinivasrao. My mother name is Renuka. Some little bit speech about Kamala Nehru. She was the wife of P.T. Jawaharlal Nehru and the mother of Indira Gandhi. And she was the known as the Delhi Deputy. Thank you for giving opportunity. Good morning everyone, respected directors of Vignan School, principal of Vignan School, respected teachers and my lovely parents and my dear friends. My name is Lakesh. I am studying in 5th class. My father name is Sailu. My mother name is Nagamani. Some little but of speech. APJ Abdul Kalam. APJ Abdul Kalam is a great scientist. He was the 11th president of India. He did the work for the mission man. He was great important scientist. Thank you everyone. Good morning to everyone. Respected director of Vignan School and principal of Vignan School. Respected dignitaries and parents and my lovely parents and my dear friends. My name is Anand Rupesh. I am studying 6th class. My father's name is Renu. My mother's name is Uma. Some little bit speech about the C.V. Raman. C.V. Raman was the greatest scientist of India. His full name was Chandrasekhar Venkata Raman. He was born 7th November 88 at Tiruchirappalli in Tamil Nadu. His father's name was Chandrasekhar Ramanand Iyer. His mother's name was Parvati Aman. Thank you. Give this opportunity to stand before you.
Keep quiet. Don't talk. Just for few minutes. Please quiet. Please be quiet. మనకి ఇంకా ప్రోగ్రామ్స్ ఉన్నాయమ్మా. We have lot of time. ఈవినింగ్ వరకైనా పెట్టుకుందాం. లంచ్ పెట్టుకొని మళ్ళీ కూర్చొని మళ్ళీ ప్రోగ్రామ్ చేసుకుందాం. ఎందుకంటే అందరూ ప్రాక్టీస్ చేశారు, అందరూ స్కిల్స్ ప్రాక్టీస్ చేశారు, డాన్సెస్ చేశారు, స్పీచ్ ప్రిపేర్ అయ్యారు. మీ పేరెంట్స్ కూడా వెయిట్ చేస్తున్నారు మాట్లాడడానికి. మీరు ఇట్లా అల్లరి చేస్తే వాళ్ళు మాట్లాడలేరు, హడావుడి అయిపోతుంది. కాబట్టి కొంచెం పేషెంట్గా ఓపిక ఉండండి. కొంచెంసేపు ఎనర్జీ వచ్చాక మళ్ళీ వచ్చేద్దాం ఇక్కడికి. రెడీయా? పేరెంట్స్ నుంచి మాట్లాడడానికి వస్తారండి. కొంచెం మీరే రావాలి. నేను ఒకరి పేరు పిలిస్తే ఇంకొకరు ఫీల్ అవ్వచ్చు, అందుకే మీరే రండి. If you are willing to talk, please come.